Hello guys, welcome back. It has been a long time since I made a video on my Yezdi Adventure. Didn't get much time to do a long ride, so didn't plan to waste your time by making unnecessary videos. I have an update on my adventure servicing. Here is my servicing cost, 2049. I got a little late for the service, almost close to 2 months. Did I have issues with the dealership that I didn't bring it on time? Absolutely no. They have just reminded me that it has been a little due, so he said he's gonna provide some discount, and there you go, the price is 2049. Upon checking our group, I found out that many of the service prices have been the same in between 2000 to 2200. Riding to the service center, I knew how my bike was sounding, like engine revs, gear shifts, clutch, exhaust sound. I was putting keen interest to these things. While returning back, I observed that the engine now sounds like a smooth grunge and I'm completely loving it. The clutch has been the same, gears are still little tight, performance didn't change, the initial pull is same as before. But the heating issue during heavy stop traffic, it has little bit come under control. Maybe it's due to the first service. Am I satisfied with the servicing? Yes, 100% yes. Do I have any complaints with the dealership or the serviceman? Absolutely no. The only downside for me is that I have to ride 65 kilometers up and down to get my bike serviced, which takes my whole day because I can't plan any other things. I request the dealership to expand their workstations to different parts of the city. That would be really awesome. Also, there has been a huge negative news over SD Adventure when compared to Himalayan. I'm not sure why, which I feel is paid and worthless talks. I understand the low end torque is not as great as Himalayan, but the bike does its job. I've recently went for a ride with some of the Hyderabad riders. Many of them were RE fans and owners and have really loved this bike. They said vibrations are minimal when compared to their Thunderbird and Himalayan. Also, Interceptor owner has commented that the initial pickup of SD Adventure is as good as Interceptor. And those comments were genuine and unfiltered. I myself have been telling you from the start that this bike is one best bike in the touring segment and it feels like a SUV in bikes. So if this video helps, do share it, like it, and please subscribe to your brother's channel, man. Peace. Bye now.